Welcome to Timestamp, the time reporting on your wrist. When entering the app, you're given a list of actions. Click any one to store a timestamp on that action. You're given the opportunity to adjust the time of this stamp. Press stamp to store the chosen time. To list your stamps, enter via the More menu. Choose Show Stamps. Here you can scroll through the whole of your list. To save a list of stamps to Google Drive, enter via the More menu. Choose Send, then choose Google Drive. Then bring out your paired phone and enter the code in the open browser window. After your admittance, the file is stored from the clock to your Google Drive. Press back on the watch when done. With a list of stamps securely stored on Google Drive, you can now delete the list locally on your watch. Enter via the More menu, choose Delete All. On Google Drive, the list of stamps is called Current File Year, Month, Date.cvs. It is a text file and it can be opened in Sheets or Excel. Do subscribe for more updates on Timestamp.